Mossberg 500. Gonna be doing some duck hunting, and New York State law and many other states require that you have a plug in the gun, so you can only accept 3 shells. So 2 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. So we need to plug the magazine to only accept 2 shells. Real simple. You can buy plugs. They're not expensive. Store near me did not have any in stock. A buddy of mine was going to give me one, but I said, you know what, I'll just make one. So first step is to remove your barrel and just keep pulling this out, pulling it out. I'm going to show you how to make one for nothing. So simply remove your barrel, and what you're left with is your magazine. See that hole right here? That's where your plug is going to go. Some people use a wooden dowel. I don't like the idea of that because you're out in the moisture all the time, and wood will absorb moisture, could swell up, could get stuck in there, could just hold moisture, cause corrosion inside the magazine area. So even if you poly it and stuff, why bother? Everybody's got these laying around. Plastic coat hanger. I really don't know the diameter, but I'm giving you an example next to my hand here. It's the average size. They do make fat ones. I think this one's going to be perfect fit in there. So how long? Well, pick up your shells. I'm shooting 3-inch. It don't matter if you're shooting 2.5 or 3s. The measurement's gonna regulate, so there's only 2. So 3-inch, 3, 6, 9. 9 inches. Genius, right? So I'm going to take this straight section right here. I'm going to cut it here, measure 9 inches, cut it there, and that's my plug. I'll clean up the ends. I'm going to take that down in the basement shop and cut that on a saw real quick and clean up the edges with a little bit of sandpaper, and I'll be right back. Okay, 9 inches from end to end. Just sawed it off with a hacksaw, cleaned it up with a little sandpaper on their end so there wasn't any loose little pieces of plastic, and this will fit perfect. You don't want it tight, you just want it to slide right in. Slides in the plug, and when you want to remove it, you just take it apart again, tip your gun, and falls right out. So you can put this in your pack, you can switch back and forth at hunting camp, whatever you want to do. That's it. It's that simple. Pop it in, and you now have a New York and other state legal plug inside your shotgun. That's it. Completely legal, ready to rock and roll, ready for duck hunting. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. Did this help you out? Appreciate it. Throw me a like, subscribe if you want. Happy hunting, and have a good day.